Got them all listed now. It looks like I listed about 19 of the cards. The Koulibaly's sold. Cazorla's already sold. This Borini, pretty irrelevant there. And then we've got the Matips listed. Salah. More Matips down here. Then we've got 3 Williams, a Fabregas, Tomato, Marquinhos, Rashford, and then the Storari is irrelevant as well. The only players I'm keeping are informs because they won't be in packs, obviously, when the new team of the week drops. So, with that being said, I think these informs are going to be good investments to hold throughout until we get closer to the first weekend league. I am going to reinvest in these cards once they sell, and I'll probably reinvest next week. But here are the prices that I got all of the cards for. So I'm going to put that up on the screen right now, and so then you guys can kind of compare it to what we sell them for here when we get back on in the morning, or probably tomorrow afternoon. So I'm going to go to bed now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow afternoon. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Elite Suite, and as you guys saw earlier in the video, we sold all of our investments. Right now we're up to 285,000 coins liquidated. We did hold on to our informs, which is great, but we've sold our Koulibalys, Cazorla, we sold Matips, Tomato, Fabregas, we got some more Matips here, we've got ourselves a Marquinhos, Willian, Salah, a couple more Willians, a Rashford, and a Bravo. So all of those investments are out of the club, and we've got them liquidated. I actually did that yesterday night, so that wasn't the last day because we skipped a day for the Trading to Glory. It was the first day we missed, and the simple reason that we didn't upload yesterday for Trading to Glory was the fact that I didn't have a lot of content to upload yesterday in terms of Trading to Glory. But today, we definitely will, because there is going to be a market drop due to everybody getting the worldwide release of the full game. So, Australia already has it. Germany is about to have it next hour. Then the UK will get it the hour after that. 5 hours after the UK gets it, we're going to see Eastern United States and Canada, Mexico, and Brazil, get the game. And then as we get later into the night, Central Time Zone, Mountain Time Zone, and Pacific Time Zone will get it. So we're going to see a pretty significant drop in cards, especially the lower rated ones. I think Rashford might be a good investment. I think players like Musa would be a good investment. Pretty much anything in general is going to be a good investment as long as they're going to go up for Weekend League, and most cards will. There are definitely better investments than other cards, but if you guys are able to get in on this investment, I'd do it as early as possible. This video will be going up on Friday. Now, I did warn you guys that this would be the time to invest, but if you guys didn't catch that video, then you guys are watching this probably Friday morning, maybe Friday afternoon. It's not too late yet. People are still opening their packs, especially people getting home from school that might see a little bit of a drop. I mean, the biggest drop is going to be like late Thursday night, early Friday morning, but it's not too late if you guys are just seeing this video like on Friday afternoon. You can probably get in on some investments and still profit as you guys hold them until next week, where a Weekend League does begin. So let's go ahead and get started with kind of scouting out which investments we're going to make. Here's the plan. What we're going to do tonight is we're going to invest in cards that are getting OTWs tomorrow. I'm talking Lacazette, I'm talking Lukaku, I'm talking Costa, I'm talking maybe Yarmolenko's a little bit. Just anybody who's likely to get an OTW tomorrow, we're going to invest in tonight. And then tomorrow when the OTWs are dropped, that's going to cause a lot more packs to be opened. Plus, there's still going to be new players that are opening their free packs still. Not as many as tonight, but there still will be some, like getting home from school and people that didn't get to play in the morning or the night before. So that's going to be a significant time to buy cards that aren't OTWs. So picking up like informs from the current team of the week 2 would be good tomorrow around like maybe 2 p.m. Eastern, which would be like 7 p.m. UK for you guys in Europe. And in Australia, I guess that's like, what would that be? If it's 2 p.m. for us, that'd be like 4 a.m. your guys' time. So set an alarm and then go ahead and pick up as many cards as you can. I wouldn't leave any coins spare. I'm probably going to invest everything. The only cards that I haven't sold in preparation to invest are cards that aren't in packs anymore, like Bakambu and Fabianski, and we've mentioned that before. Right now I'm just liquidating a little bit more coins and trying to snipe just to get a little bit more coins to invest here in a few more minutes. So I'm probably going to be picking up Lacazette's and Lukaku's tonight. I won't be investing all my coins tonight. I'll be finishing all my investments tomorrow. So in Trading to Glory number 9, we're going to see our first couple investments in players that are going to get OTWs, and then in Trade to Glory 10, we're going to see the rest of the investments, including cards that aren't getting OTWs and that are going to see even dropping lower than they are tonight in tomorrow's OTW crash as well. So there's a lot of reasons for the market to drop. Now, as I said, it's not going to be a huge crash, but it will drop, and it's definitely good to invest considering there's only a week left until the first Weekend League. I just watched that back and I was really confusing explaining that, so let me go ahead and simplify it real quick. What I'm saying is that on Thursday night, which is already past by the time you're watching this video, and then Friday morning, which isn't past, there's still time to invest in some of the cards, the OTW gold versions of their cards. So we already know that the OTWs are going to drop tomorrow, Friday, on 6 p.m. UK. That's 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this video will go up pretty early in the day, maybe around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you're going to want to invest in the OTW gold version cards. So we already know that Bonucci and Douglas Costa, Lukaku, Lacazette, Neymar, I'm pretty sure there's already another one confirmed as well, and then just a whole team of transferred cards that are going to get OTWs. They're not going to be in packs anymore. Their gold versions aren't going to be in packs anymore, but they'll still have demand as we enter into the first weekend league, which means that the supply is going down, but the demand is going up, which is the perfect combination for a card going up in price. So that's why you want to invest in those ASAP. Once it turns 6 p.m. UK on Friday, so maybe you're watching this after 6 p.m. UK on Friday, you're going to want to invest in cards that are in packs at the time, except for maybe OTWs. OTWs are going to fluctuate up and down throughout the week, and we'll probably have a video on when to buy those, but that's not this video. We're going to focus on maybe Team of the Week 2, investing in them, maybe just investing in regular gold cards that'll be used in the weekend league upcoming, just maybe Royce or Undawan, Mkhitaryan, any gold cards in general that are in pack still. So pretty much any cards that aren't in Team of the Week or OTW would be good to invest in at that time. So very, very vast range of things you can invest in that time. Just gone and picked up our first pretty good deal. Now, I know he's not going to get an OTW tomorrow, but how could I say no to a Willian for 19,000 coins, considering he was selling for about 28k yesterday. So we'll go ahead and send that to the transfer list and be our first card that we bought. He is going for about 23k right now, so even if I sold right now, that'd be profit. And right now, his price is a lot lower than it normally is, so I'm pretty happy with that. Picked up a couple of Matic on bid. I got one for 250, got one for 15,500. Both of these guys probably going to be an OTW tomorrow. And so I think those are pretty good deals, especially because they go for like 17k right now. So pretty decent deals there. We'll go ahead and add them to the transfer list. Our next investment here is going to be Ousmane Dembele. We picked him up for 50,000 coins. The next cheapest is 53.5k, and that's, you know, only been on the market for a little bit. So I think that's a decent deal. Right now, it is about 50 minutes after the UK has received the game in full. So the bids are going to be really, really good here in a few minutes. So that's what we're going to be looking at next. Just gone and picked up another decent deal on Dembele here. He's already at right forward. He's been used. He's not fresh, but he is 50,000 coins, which he is going for about 55k right now, and that's during the market crash. So I think that this is going to be a really good investment in the long run. I'm actually probably going to pick up a couple more Dembeles. This seems like one of the best investments. Here's my last investment in Dembele. I think I got him here for 48k fresh. He's going for 55,000 coins right now, which is really good profit already. That's about 3 to 4k profit already. But as we get closer to tomorrow, when his OTW might be in packs, we're not 100% sure if he's going to get an OTW, but he is rumored to probably get one just because it was a huge transfer. The only reason he might not get one is because of the fact that he is injured right now. So that is kind of putting it up for grabs. I'm not sure. I still think he will, but I'm not 100% sure. So here's the deal. Will we sell him tomorrow before OTWs are released and just sell into the hype? I might. I might sell him then depending on his price. If his price is up to 60k by tomorrow before the OTWs do drop, I'm probably going to sell and then reinvest elsewhere once the OTW crash happens. So that's the plan. My final investment of the night here, I think, is going to be James Rodriguez. We got him on bid for 60,500 coins, and right now he's going to be going for around 66k. So I'm really happy with that. That's about 6k lower than his next buy. Now we'll go ahead and check him real quick, but he is guaranteed to get an OTW as well. So he'll be out of packs tomorrow when the OTWs drop. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick on what his price is in total as of right now. Last time I checked, it was like 66k, maybe a little bit more, honestly. Right now, ooh, there's a buy now for 63. That's actually not terrible. We don't have the coins for it. It'll probably get bought within the next minute there. But let's see what the next cheapest is. It's kind of been chilling around 66 to 68k, and that's really what it is right now. So that's a good investment there. I don't know if it's fresh or not, but let's go ahead and show you guys the transfer list of investments and what the plan is from here on out. So we've got 3 Bakambus. Those are going for at least 60k each right now. So that's 180k in investments. Mustafi is currently going for 50k. We got him for 39, so that's another 50k. Then we've got in a Dembele here. That's 50,000 coins right there. 50k in this Dembele, and then we got another Dembele on this page. So that's 3 Dembeles, about 150k worth of Dembeles on the transfer list. We do have one Willian I got for 19k. I thought that was a good deal. I also got Matic for 15k there, and then we've got another Matic on this page right here, and then as we just picked up this James Rodriguez, and then that Fabianski inform. So that's the entirety of our transfer list. If you add it all up, it adds up to over 500,000 coins. So hopefully we can hit 500k once we sell these investments. Now, the discussion begins. When do we sell Dembele? Because we don't know if he's going to get an OTW. Now, Matic is more likely to get an OTW. Plus, I think that's a good investment in the long term anyway. Even though he will drop a little bit tomorrow, I think I'll make profit off of this by next week anyway. But Dembele is a very good card. People are going to like this card. But if he doesn't get an OTW, I think he's over-invested. There's a lot of people who have invested in this card. So if he doesn't get an OTW, that's going to crash. I might play it safe and sell him a couple hours before the OTWs drop tomorrow. That way we have 150k more, or probably a little bit more than 150k, because we bought him for 150k. We'll probably be able to sell him for near 60k, so that'll be 180k more, put us at about 200,000 coins liquidated. That'll give us a lot of opportunity to invest in more cards tomorrow, so I think that's probably the best idea. Maybe I'll sell 2 Dembeles and keep 1, just to kind of, you know, take the risk on 1 of them and then just play it safe on 2 of them. But that's kind of the deal, guys. But if you guys haven't invested yet, the best time to invest is going to be around 2 p.m. Eastern, which is 7 p.m. UK on the Friday. That's when the OTW crash is really kind of going to peak. That's when the prices are going to be really, really low. That's pretty much anything but the players that are in OTW. So if you guys missed the option, or missed the opportunity to buy the OTW cards, their gold cards, like Dembele in the first place, just don't worry about it. Don't buy them now. Focus on other cards. Willian is a good investment tomorrow. So, like, once the OTWs are in packs and people are opening a ton of packs, the supply's hitting the market, that's when you probably want to buy the rest of your cards. And make sure that you guys have invested everything. Don't leave any coins in your account unless you need a couple for various reasons, maybe SBCs, I don't know. But I'm going to invest a good 95% of my coins by tomorrow. So, right now, I've actually got about 95% of my coins invested, but then again, I probably will sell Dembele and reinvest again tomorrow. So, that's the plan, guys. Hopefully, you enjoyed this episode of Trading the Glory. If it has helped you out, be sure to drop a like on it. Also, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out!